Cozmo and Vector are small robots. Vector is equipped with voice recognition and AI for natural interaction. It has more robust sensors for navigation and environmental awareness. It includes a microphone, camera, and touch-sensitive areas. Cozmo focuses on fun and engaging expressions, including games with interactive cubes. It includes a camera, lift arm, and interactive face screen. Cozmo is more affordable, focusing on education and entertainment. Vector is more expensive due to its advanced AI and autonomy. Choose Cozmo if you want a fun, educational robot. Cozmo is perfect for kids, educators, and hobbyists who want to learn coding. It uses Code Lab, a simple visual programming interface that teaches coding concepts. Choose Vector if you want a smart home companion. Vector is like mini Alexa or Google Assistant with personality. It can set timers, answer questions, and even integrate with smart home devices.